his beak. Eyes are glassy, wings are crooked, been out for beige this week. Circles the same old lamppost like it's on the sacred tree. Asking every passing stranger, hey, you seen Mercy? He's a drunken seagull, screaming at the tide, hey, yelling at the kids on their bikes who ride, picking every fight with the harbor and the sky. He's a drunken seagull, always getting lost and too loud to fly. He crash lands on a beach chair, steals chips from a bag, cursings at the ocean swell like it's on red flag drag. Shouts at all the seashore dogs, obeyed you in short. Prayers that finally open a wave and blames the moon at large. He's a drunken seagull, screaming at the tide, woo, yelling at the crowds just for looking bright, picking every fight with the harbor and the sky. He's a drunken seagull, always getting lost and too loud to fly. Spins on the gear like a busted compass, tries